Hey, this is Mr. Pat, and today I will tell you about chassis. When most people look at a 4x4, they notice the big tires, lifted suspension, or aggressive design. But the real strength of a proper off-road machine is hidden underneath. The chassis. This is the backbone of every real 4x4 build. A chassis is the main structural frame of the vehicle. Everything is mounted onto it: the engine, suspension, gearbox, body, axles, and wheels. You can think of it like the skeleton of the human body. Without a strong skeleton, the body cannot handle pressure. And without a strong chassis, a 4x4 cannot survive real off-road conditions. Off-roading is completely different from normal road driving. On-road vehicles mostly travel on smooth surfaces. But a 4x4 has to deal with rocks, mud, sand, broken tracks, river crossings, steep climbs, and uneven terrain. All these conditions put massive stress on the vehicle. When one wheel climbs over an obstacle while another drops lower, the entire vehicle twists from different angles. That force goes directly into the chassis. If the chassis is weak, the body can crack, suspension mounts can fail, and the vehicle loses stability. That is why serious off-road vehicles use strong body-on-frame chassis systems. These chassis are designed to absorb impacts, support heavy suspension movement, and survive extreme conditions. Another important reason why the chassis matters is articulation. In off-roading, articulation means how well the wheels move independently while keeping traction on the ground. A strong chassis allows the suspension to flex properly without damaging the structure of the vehicle. Better articulation means better grip, and better grip means more control in difficult terrain. The chassis is also responsible for carrying heavy loads. Most 4x4 builds are not stock. People install steel bumpers, winches, roof racks, recovery equipment, larger tires, extra fuel tanks, and heavy-duty suspension systems. All of that extra weight needs a solid foundation, and that foundation is the chassis. Without a strong frame, the vehicle cannot safely handle modifications or harsh off-road use. The chassis also becomes critical during recovery situations. When a vehicle gets stuck in mud or sand and another 4x4 pulls it out, enormous pressure goes through the recovery points and frame. A weak chassis can bend or even crack under stress. That is why proper chassis engineering separates real off-road vehicles from normal SUVs. Legendary vehicles like the Toyota Hilux, Land Cruiser, Nissan Patrol, and classic Jeeps became famous because of their durability and strong chassis design. They were built to survive punishment for years. At the end of the day, tires provide grip, suspension provides comfort, and the engine provides power. But the chassis is what holds everything together. It is the true foundation of every real 4x4. Because without a strong chassis, there is no real off-road machine.